In this video, I will be showing you how to delete rule created in Microsoft Outlook. So let's start the video process. In the Outlook dashboard, you need to enter the Settings section by clicking this gear icon in the top. Next, in this pop-up window, you need to click Email tab on the left of the screen. And again, click the Rule tab here. And you can see, I have one rule set up in Outlook to move all emails from jcal to jcali folder. To delete the rule, all I need to do is click here and select the delete link below. Again, to delete we need to confirm deleting the rule. And done. Emails from jcal will no more be sent to jcali folder. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.